The SCP Foundation issued an international threat alert. It is reported by intelligence that the happy bear was seen in countries like Romania, Germany, France, Spain, and the UK. The intelligence agencies have already been reported of the threat, but the happy bear has killed almost 20,000 people in all the countries. The SCP Foundation is already working in collaboration with the international bases to finally triangulate and kill the happy bear. The Thornwoods Council, the SCP Foundation, and the Los Angeles City Hall are with you. Thank you for hearing this message.
National Alert! National Alert! The SCP Foundation activated the National Alert siren. In this moments, the happy bear is mutating and creating more happy bears. This can be the end of humanity. Please search a secure zone now. We will play the national anthem the last time.